Hi there. Yeah, here is a quick demo of infologic POS. For those who know me, this has been a project I started about 12 or 13 years ago. It's been a lot of iteration, and hopefully this time I iterate properly and get the juice out of it. So infologic is a mobile point of sale system. The idea is that starting with bars in the first version, the idea is that bartenders will be able to capture sales, and the owners of the bars will be able to register product and monitor what's being sold and what is out of stock, amongst many other things. So let's get into it and do a quick demo of the view of a bartender. So I'm going to log out and log in as a bartender. So I have an existing account, and the idea is that with this existing account is signed up as a bartender, basically the type of user. Okay, now just the dummy password to get it rolling. So now I'm logged in. As you can see, this is an account I've been playing with. So the top here, the idea is that the bartender will start the shift, and from there it will basically register everything against that particular shift. For example, all the sales that the bartender does, so that the total inventory and sales that are made are bound to that shift and for that particular bartender. So the idea is that the owner then can monitor or check what was sold within specific, not just by a specific bartender, but within specific shifts as well. So that's the goal. That's the idea. So this doesn't work properly yet, the start new shift. So I'm gonna go straight into the sales summary. But before that, I'm going to show the product view. As you can see now, I'm logged in as a bartender, so I cannot add or remove products. So that is for a manager or an admin to be able to do. So let's quickly tweak the database to say, okay, make the user be, let's say, an admin. This is a hack, but yeah, it's early days. I'm allowed to do that at least for now. So what I'm gonna do is log out. Log out and log back in. And as you can see, the number of tabs has increased. There's reports, users. I can view all the users. I can view the profile, because now this is a different profile. So just because I wanted to demonstrate adding a product, so now you can see also you can add and delete and edit products. So let's test the add product flow. So the idea here is that you will add a product, for example, Fanta. Okay. That's not good. Okay. So, and then the idea is also that you click here to scan the barcode instead of typing a particular barcode, but this hasn't been integrated yet. It's coming soon. So the idea is that we'll be able to scan. Once you scan the barcode, it will populate this particular text box. But for now, I'm just gonna add something dummy, and then you select the category. This bunch of category that are tailored for bars for now. And the idea of starting with bars is because my little sister is in need of this, so that's also why I decided to build it. Like for the past 2 days, just having some fun here with this. So the sale price is, let's say, I don't even know how much this costs in SA now. well, say 10 rands. Cost is 15. The minimum, the idea of a minimum stock is, the idea is that when it reaches that, it will go to low stock, basically signaling the user that, yeah, you your stock is low basically for this particular product. So we've added the product. Let's see if it's here. Okay, we've added it and it's here. We have 20 in stock. That's the price. It's in dollars now, but I'll update it shortly. So we've added a product. Now let's see if we can sell it. The idea is that you register a new sale by clicking on new sale, and once you decided to register a sale, you then, okay, so the idea here is also that you will click on the scan button to scan the QR code, and then it will automatically search and populate the the product into the card. But for this particular demo, I'm just gonna search manually because the QR code scanner doesn't work yet. So if I select this, you see it goes into the card. Let's say I select another product. It goes into the card as well. I can update the amounts. Yeah, the formatting of the numbers also need to be updated. We have some optional stuff. You have the payment method. I'll just leave it to cash for now. And then once you completed the sale, yeah, so this is a known bug. I'm just gonna quickly fix it so I don't have to record everything from scratch again. Keeps doing that. Let's see. Oh, not enough. Available one. Okay, interesting. How many? Strong. Yes. Okay, so it was a out of stock problem. So it wasn't actually the bug that I thought it was. So, but that's the idea. The product I was selecting there was actually out of stock, I think. But it seems like there is another bug. But yeah, the main idea for this demo is just to show the basic concepts. So then once you've registered a sale, you can basically say, okay, this sale, something happened. Now the person wants a refund. So yeah, say sale has been refunded. You can basically refund, and then you can see all the different sales as an admin of the system. And then on the dashboard, obviously this also gets updated. As you can see, it got updated. Let's see if it actually got updated. Yes, it got updated. We registered it. Let's register a sale and not refund it, so we know for sure that it gets updated indeed. So let's say that Fanta product, it's just stuck. Let's see what is going on. But the idea is that we registered the sale, and we said we wanted to refund it. That's why yeah, now on the dashboard we still have 10 sales, but I wanted to demonstrate that. So for some reason it just gets stuck. Let's maybe restart the app. Okay. And let's log back in, make sure that we are logged in. Okay, let's try again to register a new sale and actually not make it refunded. So let's say we want to buy this new product we just registered. Say we just want two. Let's see, earlier it says there was a lack of there was no stock. I wonder why. Okay, it still says that. I'm not sure why that's the case, but that's a bug, so I'm just gonna remove it from the card, and then I'm going to say, yeah, maybe it wants me to buy vodka. So I'm going to say that, and then it's sold. We go back here, it is there. We go to the dashboard, it should be 11 sales. As you can see, it's 11 sales. The revenue updated, the average updated, the number of products is still the same. As you can see, there is a low stock product here, and I think that's why it's probably a bug that blocks me on adding other products of the similar types. Yeah, that's the main goal demo in a nutshell. And obviously we will have some reports for the administrator here, and the administrator will also be able to generate their own custom reports of how their business basically doing. They'll be able to add users, different kinds of users in their businesses, and obviously they will have their profiles. And in future we will have notifications to say, for example, summaries, to send summaries of every shifts, for example. That's it in a nutshell. Thank you.